Shocking stat. The typical American worker has just $955 saved for retirement. Could you survive on $4.77 per month? Don't panic. In the next 10 minutes, I'm showing you the 4-step fix to go from broke to financially secure, even starting from zero. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome to Daily Money Mindset. If you're new here, we break down real money strategies 3 times a week to help you build actual wealth. 97% of you aren't subscribed yet. Hit that button right now so you don't miss the next video where we're covering why high earners are going broke. Let's talk about why $955 is catastrophic. That's the median for all workers, including those with zero saved. Even if you have some savings, the median for people with actual retirement accounts is only $40,000. Still nowhere near enough. If you retire at 65 and live to 85, $955 gives you $4.77 per month. Social Security? The average check in 2026 is $2,071 after the cost of living adjustment. Sounds okay until you realize average rent in most cities is higher than that. The good news? This is completely fixable. Even if you're starting late, 40s, 50s, even 60s, there are specific moves that change everything. Here's the exact playbook. Step 1. Forget retirement for 30 days. I know that sounds backwards, but your first goal is $1,000 in a savings account you can touch. Why? Because emergencies keep people broke. Car repair, $400, you don't have it. Credit card at 22% interest. That $400 repair becomes $600. $1,000 breaks this cycle. How to get it in 30 to 60 days? Sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace. That unused TV, sneakers, tools in the garage. Pick up 1 extra shift, 1 freelance gig, mow 3 lawns. The method doesn't matter, the number does. $1,000. Do not move to step 2 until you have this. Step 2. If your employer offers a 401k match, you're leaving free money on the table every paycheck. Here's how it works. Company matches 50% up to 6% of salary. You make $50,000, 6% is $3,000. You contribute $3,000, they add $1,500. That's a 50% instant return. You cannot beat that anywhere. I don't care about debt or tight budgets. Find a way to get the full match. This is non-negotiable free money. Not doing this? You're saying no to a raise. No employer match or self-employed? Jump to step 3. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Progress beats perfection. Step 3. Open a Roth IRA and automate it. A Roth IRA lets you invest after-tax money, grows tax-free, and you withdraw tax-free in retirement. The 2026 limit is $7,500 per year. That's $625 per month. If you're 50 or older, it's $8,600. Can't afford that? Start with $50 a month. 25, 10. The amount matters less than the habit. Go to Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab, all free. Open an account in 15 minutes. Set up automatic transfers every payday. Invest in a target date fund matching your retirement year. Why automation? You won't do this manually. Life gets in the way. Automation removes willpower. The money moves before you see it. In 3 months, you won't notice. In 10 years, you'll have a real retirement account. Step 4. Every raise, increase your retirement contribution first. This separates people who retire comfortably from those who work forever. Here's the system. You're saving 3% of salary. You get a 3% raise. Bump contributions to 4%. You still get a 2% raise in take-home, but now you're building wealth. Do this annually. Year 5, you're at 8%. Year 10, 13%. You never feel the pain because raises cover it. The trap? Getting a raise and upgrading your car, apartment, lifestyle immediately. 20 years later, 6-figure salary, still broke because lifestyle inflated with income. Don't do that. Raises go to future you first. Quick recap. Step 1. $1,000 emergency fund in 30 to 60 days. Step 2. Maximize employer 401k match if available. Step 3. Open and automate a Roth IRA. $7,500 yearly limit in 2026. $8,600 if you're over 50. Step 4. Increase contributions 1% with every raise. Do these 4 things? You won't have $955 in retirement, you'll have hundreds of thousands. A 30-year-old investing $300 monthly until 65 at 8% returns gets $647,000. That's life-changing. Comment your retirement savings goal below. I'll reply to the top ones. Smash that like button and subscribe. We drop strategies every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Grab the free retirement calculator in the description. Next video, why $70,000 earners are going broke and how to escape. See you there.